Hey, what's up guys? This is Justin, and in this video, I will share with you how to get paid $200 per day to just watch YouTube videos. This is a very underground new strategy to earn free PayPal money for watching videos online this year, 2021. So let's dive right in. Here is how it works. This is how you get paid to watch YouTube videos. Step number 1. Grab your mobile phone. Step number 2. Click play and watch a short YouTube video. And step number 3, cash out your money on a different payment method such as PayPal or Skrill. If you watch just one video, you will earn up to $3, and every time you watch 20 videos, you're gonna earn $60. And for 200 videos per day, you're going to earn $200 and more daily. This is a beginner-friendly and 100% free method. You don't have to pay or invest anything in order to make your money. The best thing about this method is that this is available worldwide. So no matter what country you're in, you're gonna earn money. And you can get started with this right now. And of course, I will show you how to sign up with this method and teach you what videos to watch which will make you the most amount of money. Now, right before I explain you how you can do this, comment down below, I am from blank, aka your country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from. And in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And don't forget, I have a special bonus for you at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around and keep watching all the way to the end. Now let's get started. As you can see here, this YouTube video is just over 1 minute long. When you watch these kinds of videos, you're gonna earn $3. You can watch videos like this on your mobile phone or on your computer. Now go to this website right here. This is a 100% free website and you don't need any investments to sign up and get started. You can earn money from this website by taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and much more. But today, we're going to focus on watching videos because this is the simplest and most profitable thing we can do on this website. And also, here's something pretty cool. When you first sign up for an account, this special website will send you $1 free bonus immediately, which is pretty cool. To do so, just enter here your first name, email address, and choose a username, then create a password. And on the country section, just click on drop-down arrow right here. And you can see that they're accepting many countries all over the world. So it doesn't matter where you're living, and it doesn't matter where you're located, you can get started with this right now and earn a lot of money in no time. Literally as soon as you finish watching this video. Okay, once you're done with that, click on this box right here after reading the privacy policy and membership agreement, and then just hit the sign up button. This website has many different payment options that you can use, but I highly recommend you choose PayPal. The website offers a lot of opportunities for you to earn money online, and the best part is that it offers really high payout rates. You can read it here that you can earn 65 to 85%, unlike other websites that only offer you 40 to 60%. So once you're done signing up, they will take you to this page. As you can see here, they will credit you $1 for every 100 points you earn. Once you reach $7, you can automatically cash out your money through PayPal, Bitcoin, or through e-gift cards. To continue, just scroll down below and click on this button right here. Once you're done clicking that, you can then log into your account. This is what the dashboard looks like. Very easy to navigate. You can see here that they gave me my $1 sign-up bonus already. You can also see right here the earning potential that you can get by completing the offers. Go and check this section right here and see the companies and their offers which you can complete to earn big money on this website. These are some of the best companies around the world that are very legitimate. You can do all these offers and earn a lot of money, but as I said earlier, today we're going to focus on watching YouTube videos because it pays the highest and it's the simplest thing to do to earn money very quickly. And keep in mind that some of the offers are only available for a limited time, so try and do them as quick as possible. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually record, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe with the notification bell turned on. And if we hit 500 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you the exact method I use to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this, all while sitting on my couch and watching TV and movies. So to earn money by watching videos, you need to click on this section right here where it says videos, and that's going to take you to this page. As you can see here, for every 200 points you earn, you'll receive a silver token which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance right away. And what I like about this is that you can watch different kinds of videos such as food, music, viral videos, gaming videos, and so on and so forth. So all you have to do is click on this button right here, which will then take you to this page where you can watch the video. You can see that this video is just over 1 minute long. And the best part is that you're gonna earn $1 to $3 on just this video alone right here. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? So this website is called gg2u.org. And now, as I promised, here's the bonus tip for you, my avid viewers and subscribers that stuck around for the whole video. You can watch all the videos from all the different categories at the same time. Watch all the available videos from food, music, viral, gaming, etc. To do that, go and open all the browsers in new tabs so you can watch all the videos on all the different categories at the same time and even on more devices. Here's a tip. If you have some extra phones or laptops, you can watch the videos through multiple devices at the same time. This is where you can earn even more money because you don't need to actually watch the videos. You can just run them in the background and do anything else you'd want or need to, and you're already earning money just by doing that. And that wraps it up. This is exactly how you get paid to watch YouTube videos for absolutely free this year. And now, if you want to earn even more money, check the first link in the description down below to discover how to get paid $100 per day to watch YouTube videos, which is a new strategy to earn free PayPal money for just watching simple and short videos, which anyone, even without previous experience, can do. Yes, it's possible, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in that video right there below. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notifications turned on. And as always, it was a pleasure, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!